Hello, Karen here from Kazaz. Take a look at this brand new product featuring the gorgeous Spring Meadow collection. It's called a Cardmaking Value Box. It comes complete with everything you need to create 50 stunning cards. Just bring your own scissors. Be inspired by the inspiration sheet, which features 50 cards on a variety of themes. From cute to elegant, there is something for every occasion. Some of the cards feature splashes of colour created by using our watercolor pans. The set includes artist grade pigment in 12 light fast high intensity colours and a fine tip paintbrush. To allow you to write your messages and card greetings, we have included a fine tipped black gel pen. This box is jam-packed with lots of fun embellishments. These high-quality cute cutouts are printed on 250 GSM acid-free cardstock. They are a great thickness to work with. There are a total of 40 cutouts in the pack, that's 2 of each of the 20 designs. They really are adorable and versatile. These cutouts make embellishing cards a breeze. The natural twine and satin ribbon add lovely finishing touches to your card creations. These rhinestone strips and pearls are ready to go directly onto your cards. They have sticky backs, so all you have to do is peel them off and add some bling to your card. This pack contains 2 sticker sheets featuring heaps of words, greetings and shapes on a transparent sticker. The double-sided super tape is used to stick all the embellishments onto your cards. The magic mount adds some dimension to your cards. There are 6 stencils included. They have been designed exclusively for this box. Stencils are laser cut from semi-transparent plastic. You will get great results using them with the watercolor pans I showed earlier. Of course, they can be used with lots of other inks, paints and sprays too. Just give them a wipe over when you have finished using them and put them aside for your next project. There are 6 chipboard sheets included with a variety of greetings and shapes to add dimension and interest to your cards. These chipboards have also been created exclusively for this value box. The shapes have been precision laser cut and they are easy to pop out. Chipboard is a fun product to play with. It can be used raw or you can colorize it. These quote sheets are perfect for cutting out messages to add to the card fronts. They have been created with a variety of colours to mix and match with the Spring Meadow Collection colour palette. To create your card bases and mats, we have included white, black and oatmeal cardstock. The card is A5 and folds neatly to an A6 card. There are a total of 60 cards in the box. Last but not least, the final goodie in the box is the Spring Meadow Collage paper pad. It features 48 single-sided pattern pages. There are 12 gorgeous designs, therefore 4 of each design. 8 designs are in colour and 4 are in black and white. Look for the page in the pad that has been designed to coordinate with one of the chipboards. The effect is stunning when you layer the fussy cut image from the collage pad with the chipboard. You will discover this for yourself when you explore the contents of the box.